In this video, you'll learn how to use the team driving feature in the Samsara Driver app. With this feature, you and another driver can easily share one device to manage your duty statuses and hours of service. First, make sure the primary driver logs into the Driver app. Next, on the home screen, locate the team icon in the Quick Actions menu. When the module opens, tap Add Passenger. Enter driver 2's credentials and sign in. Swipe up on the team driving module to see your driving team. Once both drivers are logged in, you can switch between profiles and easily update your duty statuses. Viewing account shows whose account you are looking at. The active driver should set their status to on duty, and the passenger should set their status to a non-driving status. Since driver 1 is the driver, you need to change the duty status. Start by closing the team driving module. Next, select Status from the Quick Actions menu. From here, you can select an on-duty status, add a remark, add a location, and save. Go back to the team icon in the Quick Actions menu to easily switch roles. Follow the same steps for driver 2 to make sure they are set to the correct non-driving status. At the end of the day, when you're ready to sign out, just tap Sign Out from the Quick Actions menu, and both drivers are signed out of the app.